Hello students, in this module we will discuss the remaining internet terms. Web portal. Web portal is a specially designed website that processes various types of information of an organization in a systematic manner. It is a single point access source that acts as a library to collect the information. The content of a web portal is so organized that it can be easily accessed by the internet user. And in the web portal, you can say that the multiple facilities, whatever a user requires, is given together at one place. So that is what the web portal is. The next we have is switch. Switch is defined as a collection of various networking components. It plays an important role at the time of sharing of information. It is more intelligent than hub. The hub just broadcasts the messages, whereas switch transfer the message to the appropriate device where the message needs to be sent. It does not broadcast to all the computers in the network, and that is why we say that switch is more intelligent device than the hub. So the next is hub. Hub is a mode of central distribution that connects multiple devices on the internet. As I told you, hub broadcasts a message to every single device connected to it onto the network. The message is delivered to the appropriate device based on the IP addresses. But the problem with the hub is that it broadcasts the message to every device. Router. Router is a physical networking component that allows communication when a single computer is linked with multiple computers on the internet. It acts as a traffic controller among the devices connected on the internet. The router provides route or path through which a message travels from a source to the destination. A gateway is a node in a network that provides a path from one computer to the other in the other similar network. A kind of pathway which connects two similar networks is called gateway. When you see a web page, there are some words which are highlighted or underlined. These highlighted words or text on the web page are called hyperlinks. They enable user to navigate from one document or from one page to another page, or sometimes in the same page to the another location. That document can be stored on the same server or can be on a different server as well. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is the measure of data transfer on the internet. It determines the speed of data transfer. It can be in the form of BPS, that is bits per second, kbps, that is kilobits per second, and mbps, that is megabits per second. Protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that governs the internet. The way a data or the two computers will be connected with each other, the way the data will be transferred from sender to the receiver, that is defined by the protocol. There is another protocol named HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a set of rules which is responsible for transferring hypertext document between the two or more computers. The information on the World Wide Web, that is WWW, is transmitted with the help of HTTP. If you see the URL also starts with the same HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So nowadays you can see sometimes there is written HTTPS. The S stands for secure. So if it is written somewhere HTTPS, it is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The next we have is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard internet protocol which is responsible for exchange of files between computers on the internet. The next we have is TCP/IP, stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. The TCP divides the data into packets. Then the IP starts working. The IP sends data from sender to receiver. At the receiver end, again the work of TCP starts, that the TCP rejoin the packets into a file. So the TCP/IP is an important protocol for successful transmission of data from sender to receiver. The next is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. This protocol is a set of rules used while working on the internet. IMAP protocol is used for storing received mails in the computer of the receiver. The receiver can view the message easily as it is available locally with his computer. So the IMAP, with the help of IMAP, we can download or we can receive the mail from the sender onto our local computer for further reading purpose. Further, we are having SMTP, stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is a protocol used for sending and receiving a mail. It transmits the mail issued from the source computer to the server. It works with the combination of IMAP, that is Internet Message Access Protocol. The SMTP transmits mail to the server, whereas IMAP receives mail from the server and delivers it to the receiver's computer.